Guys, Green Hack here, back again with another video. And if I'm wait, let me turn off my music. I just remembered. Alright, why am I starting like this? Like if I'm dying while making this video, it's because I'm tired. I'm actually really tired. But if you see anything here, put down in the comments in 5. Anything different. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna tell you what's different. We got a crimson or cobalt. I was probably gonna ask you like that's why I have like no tickets, but I have 40 royal. Oh, here's another thing. I finally got Demon B. I think I told you guys that, but all I've been doing is feeding treats. This guy I just fed treats. But yeah. And it's, by the time you're watching this, maybe it's probably going to either be my party or the date after my party. But, like, it's going to be my party tomorrow, the time I'm making this video. But, yeah, that. How the heck does this guy have bear? Okay, well, I am going to get Bear B, so I shouldn't really be saying that. But, yeah, because either my mom's going to buy me Robux, or my friends are going to buy me gift cards. It's going to be one of the two. But, yeah. Let's do this. So, what we're going to be doing is Tunnel Bear. Let's go fight Tunnel Bear. Actually, I think I've got a better idea. 100,000, that's easy. And then we could, okay, no. 3, 6, 9. Wait, how are you doing? Oh, you say 14, 15, 16. So I need 4 minutes. Okay. But, never mind. I was about to say maybe we could do it twice. But that's like right outside. That's out the window. Yeah, so now when I just collect one of these, it fires 2, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, so that's that. Actually, I'm very proud of myself. I saved up. I used the ticket dispenser on the 25B zone. Yeah. And guys, we have 28 and we've discovered 29 Bs. All I need is basic B and Bear B, and like I got this. I can get into on each zone. On it. Whatever. No. Make it again. I wanna get both red and blue at the same time. Well, not at the same time, just like near each other. Okay, so we're almost done. We're almost there. 45. Alright. So laggy. Inspiration. And which, oh shoot, it's the 25 mil amulet. I need a star amulet. Alright, I'll buy that. But I still want to get the space, so I'll probably buy the space first. All night, which it's night right now, but like all the way till the morning, I'm probably going to be grinding to the point where I'm like technically going to be looking like I'm dead when I wake up. Dude, there is lag like no other. I've never seen this much lag, especially on my phone. Never mind. I always hate it when people come here because like I can never grab anything. Right, so wait, I'll show you a royal jelly location. Here, wait. Here, or if, depending on what boots you have, you can jump all the way up there. But if you don't have boots, you just go here, here, and then up here, and then this is where you put in your moon charms. I already have the first moon amulet. I don't really feel like getting a second one. I don't really care, but like, I get it would be good, but like still. Alright, I'm gonna just wait here, so I'll get to you guys when it's done. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use these treats dispensers. I'm gonna go put this into conversion. Wait. Whoa! I never check this thing, and then sometimes when I comment, it says that it doesn't work. 25 mil to get bronze star. Oh, God, that's expensive. There's gonna be days where we're gonna probably be spending like maybe quadrillions. I've seen videos that Onitz, or maybe Onitz, I'm sorry Onet, or Onitz if you're watching this, but like, I can't really pronounce it. Okay, we're just gonna say Onitz. We're just gonna say Onetz. Onet might be adding a Halloween thing. In a bobber thing, dude. Halloween day. So, that's cool. What was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I was gonna go and we were going to... Move, camera, move. What were we gonna do? Oh, we were gonna fight Tunnel Bear. Yes, correct. I still haven't gotten my Demon Bee to level 6 or my Crimson Bee. It's so expensive. Level up, what is this, like 400 and no, what? It's just really fun. And where is it? Okay, so I'll do that. Do that. And then do that. Wait, I have blueberries. Soon enough, you guys already know, like, I'll probably get it on full, and if you hear someone going, that's my sister. Just saying hi to all you guys. Yeah, I'll go tell her to say hi. Want to say hi, Jovina? Yeah? Say hi. Oh, she's asleep. Talking in her sleep. Hey, Mom. Jovi's talking in her sleep. Alright, but... guys, so let's fight Tunnel Bear real quick. So guys, we're gonna fight Tunnel Bear. Oh, I'm sorry, Destiny. Oh yeah, we got a dog. Say hi, Destiny. Destiny, say hi. Say hi. Hey. Okay, I don't know if I got that on camera, but what else? Hey. Oh, hi. Might as well just hide under. This is gonna be an under the covers video. I'm gonna be under my blanket. Hate being under my blanket. Alright, let's go. The dog's above me and I don't like that. Dog, you're squishing me out. Dog. Alright, so let's boing. And boing. Get. Yeah, I haven't showed you guys so I can become me fighting Tunnel Bear, but I can. Well, yeah, I have, but I haven't caught it on camera. Dude, this dog is literally... Wait, hold on. No. So you guys had to, like, see me smack the dog, but, like, it has to have respect. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. What time is it? Like 11:08? Oh, God. Alright. Let's kill this doodad. Doodad. Alright, guys, I'm gonna pause it, and then I'll see you guys all when I get back. Green Hack signing out and signing back in a bit. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Got a little sidetracked and I died on purpose because I wanted to finish this quest. I guess we'll be able to finish this quest after all. So let's just do this. Scoopity, scoopity, scoop. Wait, I have one question. Why is this scythe so big in my hand? So small. Like, and then how does it chop up so many things when it like barely gets to the second block? It's weird. I shouldn't be that judgy, to be honest. Scoop, all I do is scoop, scoop, scoop it is, scoop, scoop, scoop it is. Scoop, scoop, scoop it is. Yes! That gave us so much. It's gonna suck when I'm grinding because like it's so. Hey guys, I'm back and my video kind of cut off short because I had like no space and I had apps I didn't really need. But yeah, so let's get started again. I just accepted the quest and got a new one. Now we're gonna fight Tunnel Bear and see you guys all when I'm done. Peace out. Bye bye. Well, we'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. I just took off my face cam real quick. I'm not gonna put it back on because I don't really feel like it. Because one, I'm too lazy. Two, I just don't feel like it. Here, fine. I'll put it back on. So that you guys know that I'm not trying to hide anything. Hi. Yeah, we're not going to be defeating Tunnel Bear, but we did get a level 16, what's it called? Polar powers. There you go. So yeah, that's cool. And we got our Cobalt bee. Our demon. What? I will be grinding to get an extra spot for that bear bee. Once I get the bear bee, I'll be able to grind more. What I could do is I could take off that Cobalt bee because Cobalt bees they have jellies that you can put down, and those jellies will like turn it into that whichever you put it on. So I could just like put the bear bee right there and then royal jelly the next slot I get. So I could do that if I want to. If it's not a basic bee. Hopefully it's not. No, I don't really care. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Whoops, didn't stop the video. Okay, peace out. Make sure to hack into that like and sub button. Please put down in the comments below what you want me to see to do next. I'm probably going to keep doing this. Most likely to. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Green Hack signing out. Bye-bye.